Welcome to Dr. Fred Markets. This is not financial advice. While most people scroll past the noise, a few take the time to understand what's really going on. Finance, crypto, artificial intelligence, this is where it all connects. You made the right choice being here. Let's dive in.
Imagine a world where political maneuvers send oil prices skyrocketing, yet code-writing algorithms hold the keys to future wealth. How do these two worlds collide to shape our financial destiny? Did you know that, as of today, oil prices have once again surged past the $100 per barrel mark? It's no coincidence, and it all ties back to geopolitical tensions and technological evolution. While the mainstream media is buzzing with Trump's extension of the US-Iran ceasefire, one can't help but ask, how deeply are these global events intertwined with the rise of artificial intelligence and cryptocurrency? And how does this dynamic influence our investment choices and market behavior? Consider this. SpaceX's potential $60 billion investment in the AI coding tool Cursor isn't just a jaw-dropping number, it's a clarion call for attention. The intersection of AI technology and market shifts is no longer a distant horizon, it's here. So, what does this mean for investors? How do rising tensions in the Middle East and the strategic moves of high-tech giants govern the invisible strings of market volatility? As oil prices and crypto values sway, it becomes crucial for investors to keep an eye on both geopolitical shifts and tech innovations. Let's delve into this further with a headline that echoes across financial platforms. Iran's attack on oil tankers in the Strait of Hormuz has sparked yet another surge in oil prices. It's a sharp reminder that stability in the Middle East is often teetering on the edge. The reaction? A noticeable jump in prices, with USO leaping to $134.82, marking a 4.19% increase. But how does Bitcoin's slight decline fit into this volatile equation? The dance between traditional markets and digital currencies often reflects the underlying societal tremors and technological advancements at play. Ask yourself, what truly underpins the security of your investments? Is it solely the blips in oil and stock prices, or the burgeoning capabilities of AI in reshaping digital assets? Pedagogically speaking, AI tools like Cursor are more than sophisticated programs. They represent a paradigm shift in how coding and consequently market strategies are constructed. Algorithms drive market analysis, turbocharging not just trading efficiency, but market predictions themselves. Now picture a future where smart trading systems powered by AI become the norm. During uncertain times, do we see a diminished role for human intuition in trading, or does it become a critical partner to AI? This dynamic is why high-tech firms are eager to invest in AI capabilities. SpaceX's potential acquisition demonstrates a readiness to capitalize on AI, a move that might inspire confidence or caution among investors wary of tech sector froth. Around the halfway mark, we reach a critical turning point. Could AI not just predict but influence future market moves, aligning with some businesses' potential to foresee and manipulate economic outcomes through technology? What risks and opportunities arise as these Nova-style stars rise? Keep watching as we explore the larger repercussions. Meanwhile, the stock market shows resilience with the Dow, S&P 500, and Nasdaq each posting gains despite external pressures. This robustness begs the question, are traditional markets still a safe haven in a technology-driven era, or are they gradually being upstaged by the crypto ecosystem? As we examine Bitcoin's current price at $77,659, slightly down by 0.7%, it's emblematic of a larger interplay itself, another puzzle piece in a complex game. Investors, both novice and seasoned, must now consider, are you backing the right horse? As the financial landscape evolves, should portfolios pivot towards AI and crypto? Ethereum, for instance, is down by 3.03%, standing at $2,304.40. These figures might suggest a momentary dip or hint at deeper market recalibrations. Yet, amidst such flux, AI becomes potentially deterministic, especially with tools capable of automating strategic decisions. To cement our discussion, let's ponder on an inner transition at Best Buy.
Does what you just heard make you want to dig deeper? Good, because that curiosity is exactly what brought you here. And the second part is going to take it further. Let's go.
With insider Jason Bonfig's appointment as CEO, the company marks its shift just as AI tools redefine corporate efficiency. It's indicative of a larger trend, how AI integration across businesses isn't a question of if, but when. Best Buy's internal changes reflect a broader acknowledgement of technology integrating with core business models. Consider NVIDIA's market performance, with its stock price standing at $198.5, down 1.98%. In contexts like these, understanding the intersection of AI-driven prospects with traditional stock values becomes critical. NVIDIA, long heralded for its tech prowess, finds itself simmering in the crossfires of AI optimism and real-time market reactions. In conclusion, what awaits is more than the sum of investments and headlines. It's the financial future you carve through informed choices. First, recognize the profound implications of AI spending, akin to SpaceX's prospective acquisition. Second, grasp the significance of geopolitical forces like Iran's impact on oil and markets. Finally, evaluate how modern currency dynamics, such as the fluctuations in Bitcoin and Ethereum prices, pinpoint evolving risk profiles and opportunities. With calibrated insight, you're equipped to not just respond to market shifts, but proactively shape your financial narrative. Subscribe now for more strategic insights and stay ahead with Dr. Fred Markets. Thank you for tuning in, and as we delve even further into the layers of tomorrow's financial landscape, let's address an essential element: adaptability. Adaptability doesn't just mean reacting, it's about anticipating change and preparing your portfolio accordingly. Consider this: AI spending is set to reshape industries in ways we might not yet fully comprehend. Businesses that can integrate AI to streamline operations and enhance customer experiences stand at the forefront of this transformation. For investors, this means identifying companies not just leading in AI technology, but those that can effectively apply AI to real-world scenarios, creating real value. Shifting our focus to global events, Iran and its geopolitical positioning undoubtedly influence oil markets. However, beyond oil, there's a larger picture of emerging technologies and renewable energies that could redefine energy consumption worldwide. Keeping an eye on government policies and bilateral agreements can offer clues about future trade patterns and investment opportunities that pivot around sustainable practices. And let's not forget the sweeping force of blockchain and cryptocurrency advancements. Bitcoin and Ethereum exhibit the volatility of untamed innovation, holding both risk and potential. It's critical to continually evaluate how these digital assets fit into a diversified investment strategy, considering international regulations and emerging market trends. As you integrate these components into a coherent financial strategy, remember that risk management becomes your safeguard. Diversification is key. As markets evolve, so too should your portfolio's balance. Avoid overly concentrating on a single asset class. Instead, spread investments across multiple sectors to buffer against unpredictable market downturns and seize opportunities as they arise. Ultimately, the financial future isn't a set path laid out before us. It's an ever-changing journey navigated by informed decisions. The ability to leverage knowledge, foresight, and flexible strategies will pave the way to prosperity. Together, we'll continue to explore the terrain of digital finance, environmental shifts, and the tech innovations reshaping our economic world. So subscribe to our channel, follow our updates, and arm yourself with the insights needed to craft your financial future. Let Dr. Fred Markets serve as your compass in this vast and dynamic financial landscape, empowering you to make bold, informed decisions with confidence. Remember, the future isn't something we enter. The future is something we create day by day. This is not financial advice. If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to the channel and check the links in the first comment below.
That's it for today on Dr. Fred Markets. I hope this gave you clarity and a new perspective. Remember, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research. If you found this useful, subscribe. It's free and it helps the channel grow. Find me on the blog at drfredmarkets.com and join the newsletter via the link in bio. I'm Dr. Fred Markets. See you in the next one.